Kids Zone with Trishy. Pirate Pete's Potty. This is Pirate Pete.
Hello.
Pete is a little boy. Pirate Pete wears a diaper underneath his big pirate pants. He uses a diaper to pee and poop in. This is Pirate Pete's family. They don't wear diapers. Only Pirate Pete and his baby brother wear diapers. It's all right for the baby to wear diapers, thinks Pirate Pete, but I want to be a big boy. So Pirate Pete and his mommy go down to the pirate store to see what they can find. First, they look for a potty. Which one do you think Pirate Pete likes best? Which is your favorite? Pirate Pete is excited about his new potty. But what is a potty for? Is it a funny hat? A toy boat? A storage box? Your potty is to do your pees and poops in instead of your diaper, explains Mommy. This seems funny at first, so Pirate Pete practices sitting on his potty just to get used to it. Next, Pirate Pete chooses some big boy pirate pants. Which ones do you think Pirate Pete likes best? Which are your favorites? Pirate Pete feels grown up in his big boy pants. He practices pulling them up and down. This is easy, thinks Pirate Pete. So next time he feels like he has to pee or poop, he sits on his potty. He sits, and he sits, and he sits, until finally a teeny tiny little pea comes out and tinkles into the bottom of the potty. Pirate Pete's mommy then teaches Pete some special pirate potty rules. 1. After you've used your potty, especially for a poop, remember to ask Mommy or Daddy to help you wipe your bottom with toilet paper. Always wipe from front to back. 2. Flush it all the way in the toilet. It might make a loud noise, but that's okay. That's just the water making it clean again. 3. Then wash and dry your hands. Sometimes, however, Pirate Pete can't get to the potty in time and accidentally makes a mess on the floor. Don't worry, Pete, his mommy and daddy always say. We know you're trying hard. We still think you're a clever boy. Soon, Pirate Pete is used to doing pee in his potty, but he finds doing a poop much harder. It feels funny not having a diaper on, but he keeps on trying. Till one day, Pirate Pete manages to do a poop right in his potty. He shows the full potty to his mommy. He shows it to his daddy. He shows it to his big sister. And even to the baby. They all cheered. Pirate Pete feels like a big boy now. Only the baby wears diapers now. But one day, Pete's little brother will have a potty adventure of his own. And Pete will be able to show him just what to do. Princess Polly's Potty. This is Princess Polly.
Hello.
She is a little girl. Princess Polly wears a diaper underneath her pretty princess dress. She uses diapers to pee and poop in. This is Princess Polly's family. They don't wear diapers. Only Princess Polly and her baby sister wear diapers. It's all right for the baby to wear diapers, thinks Princess Polly, but I want to be a big girl. So Princess Polly and her mommy go down to the princess store to see what they could find. First, they look for a potty. Which one do you think Princess Polly likes the best? Which is your favorite? Princess Polly is excited about her new potty. But just what is a potty for? Is it a funny hat? A toy boat? A storage box? Your potty is for doing your pees and poops in instead of your diaper, explains Mommy. This seems funny at first, so Princess Polly practices sitting on her potty to get used to it. Next, Princess Polly chooses some big girl princess pants. Which ones do you think Princess Polly likes the best? Which are your favorites? Princess Polly feels like a big girl in her special Princess Big Girl pants. She practices pulling them up and pulling them down. This is easy, thinks Princess Polly. So the next time she feels like she has to pee or poop, she sits on her potty. She sits, and she sits, and she sits, and she sits, until finally a teeny tiny little pea comes out and tinkles into the bottom of the potty. Princess Polly's mommy then teaches Polly some special Princess Potty rules. 1. After you've used your potty, remember to ask Mommy or Daddy to help you wipe your bottom with toilet paper. Always wipe from front to back. 2. Flush it all away in the toilet. It might make a loud noise, but that's just lots of water making the toilet clean again. 3. Wash and dry your hands. Sometimes, however, Princess Polly can't get to the bathroom on time and accidentally makes a mess on the floor. Don't worry, Polly, her mommy and daddy always say. We know you're trying hard. We still think you are a very clever girl. Soon, Princess Polly is used to doing pee in her potty, but she finds doing a poop much harder. It feels so funny without a diaper on, but she keeps on trying. Until one day, Princess Polly manages to do a poop right in her potty. She shows the full potty to her mommy. She shows it to her daddy. She shows it to her big brother. And even to the baby. They all cheer. Princess Polly feels like a grown-up princess now. Only the baby still wears diapers. But one day, Polly's little sister will have a potty adventure of her own. And Polly will be able to show her just what to do.